You want to make passive income online just like the other people, but there is something stopping you from doing it because you are wondering to yourself, what is the best affiliate marketing programs to start making money online? So you do a lot of research, maybe you watch some videos online, then you become more confused than you when you first got started. And you wonder, is there a solution for that? The answer is yes, there is a solution, and I'm gonna go over that solution because I was in your shoes before. The first solution is for you to click or smash that like button and subscribe and hit that notification button so you'll be the first to know. I just want to let you know that there is a hope and there is a solution for almost everything. You just need to know exactly where to find it. And I promise you, you found it here. So I'm going to go over that solution. And disclaimer, there's nothing here for you to purchase. There is no course I'm going to sell you in this video. It's all free. There's a reason why. You can watch my other videos to find out why I'm doing this. Hello, my name is Mark Daniels, a broke factory worker turned entrepreneur years back. I was confused, frustrated, and I was on a sinking ship just because I wanted to be an entrepreneur. Nothing really worked. I was borrowing money left and right until I was really desperate. Then something good showed up in my life, which is a mentor that really saved my life. Right now, my life is absolutely blessed. I can enjoy life. I can go any place I want. I can buy anything that I want, and I think you can do that as well. All you gotta do is just listen to the right information and do not listen to any noise out there. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's make some money. The first thing that I want you to do is ignore everything that you have seen, maybe you watched on YouTube, because most of it is just one size fits all. If you're a beginner, you are a totally different breed, so to speak, than the other people who've been doing it for a long time, because all the videos that I have watched on affiliate programs, they just cater for everybody in the world. So you're special because you're a beginner. What I'm about to share with you is vital to your success. So make sure you really understand it very well. You can rewind it or take some notes. I'm going to share with you 3 types of affiliate marketing programs. And if you understand these, there's nothing out there to stop you from succeeding. Number 1 is public programs. So we're going to go ahead and get started by what is a marketplace, because I'm going to go ahead and take you into 2 journeys. So the more information you have, the better you'll be off of not making any mistakes that is going to cost you time, money, and effort. Marketplace is very much what it means. It says marketplace. There's a lot of companies out there that they like to have some affiliates promote their product. So they go to a marketplace. Basically, they want the marketplace to find advertisers for their product. This is it. So marketplace, I'm going to go ahead and give you a broad idea. There's 3 main types of marketplace. One is public, which is, I'm going to go ahead and give you some examples. One of them is called Amazon, as you know, and I have talked about it. It's something I never recommended before. It should not be a surprise that it is in red. The other one is Share a Sale. It is a good marketplace. However, they need approval, and there's a multiple approval. Let's go ahead and just go to their website so you'll know what I'm talking about. This is on the inside. As I promised, I'm going to show you on the inside how it looks like. So there's a whole lot of stuff in here. It's a good marketplace. However, if you are a new or a beginner type of affiliate, it's kind of challenging to get started with it. I'm going to go ahead later on and tell you what is the best one to get started with. But right now you have to get approval from Share a Sale itself, the network. And then when you want to promote a product, for example, this product, you have to get approval as well. So it's not just, okay, doing Share a Sale and I joined their network, so I'm approved for all these products. This is not true. And that's why I don't recommend it for somebody who is starting out. Maybe a little bit later on, that would be the best thing for you, or you can add it to your portfolio of products that you are promoting. By the way, it's a good platform. Another one I want to talk about is CJ, used to be called Commission Junction, also needs an approval. It's also a multiple approval. I just want to give you a heads up. I'm not going to put a whole lot of those in here. I'm talking about the marketplaces. I just want to give you an idea how they look like on the inside. What are the pluses and minuses? about them, so you'll have more knowledge about what you are doing. When I'm going to go ahead and show you on the inside about CJ, it's very much the same as shareasale.com. For example, if you want to promote this product, you have to click on join, apply for it, and then they will give you a response within maybe a day or so to let you know if you are approved or not. So there are some filtering process that you have to go through in order for you to do that. I'm not saying this is bad. What I'm saying, this is not the ultimate thing for someone who is getting started as a beginner, because you're going to run into a lot of frustration and it's really not worth to do that. Okay, the third one I want to talk about is Clickbank, and as far as approval, you really don't need an approval. There's something what is called a whitelist, and it's an optional on the person who is, or the entity, or whoever selling the product inside a Clickbank. They probably ask you to be whitelisted, but it's nothing big deal. There's not a whole lot of questions at all. So this is Clickbank right here. I'm not going into the inside at this point. I just want to give you an idea about them. It's a very good platform. The reason I like it is because it's not hard, because when you get in started, you are want to stay away from being disappointed. If you go, for example, for shareasale.com and you get rejected or you get frustrated by that, more than likely you're going to give up and you're not going to do it. In Clickbank, you can just get started very quickly, and at the same time, you can become an affiliate, or later on, you can sell your own product on the platform. I don't recommend you as a beginner to do that at this point. Is the best way to do it is become an affiliate, sell someone else's product. You don't have to worry about creating the product. All you have to do is promote that product, and that's it. Number 2 is direct programs. What a direct means, for example, let's say there's a company called Aweber, which is an email autoresponder. And as far as approval, it's very easy for you to get approved. So direct is going directly to the company that sells that product, and many of them, they do have their own affiliate marketing in-house. So that's going direct without going to a network. And number 3 is private affiliate programs. The private is very difficult to get approved. It's very hard. It's usually only by invitation. Obviously, if you are getting started, this is not the time for it. But the reason I mention that is because it is available by invitation. There is something called private network. You don't see them that much because they just don't advertise. Just want to make a note here that this is not a comprehensive list of all public network. I'm talking about marketplace affiliate public networks. I just put these as examples only because there's quite a few of them, but I wanted to give you more information so you'll be able to see it from the inside. For example, I took you inside ShareASale and CJ so you'll know how things work, so you don't sit there and try to promote something and you end up being disappointed. Because I did see a whole lot of people on YouTube, I don't know why they do that, but they encourage everybody and they go the best top 5 affiliate network to join, or the top 2 and 3, whatever. If you're brand new, it's very difficult, and not difficult, it's not impossible. It's difficult because you might get disappointed, and if you get disappointed, it might just put an end to whatever you're trying to accomplish. So the best way to do it is to do it with something like Clickbank and then move from that point. So if you want to download this, I'm going to go ahead and make this blueprint available for you so you'll be able to download it. In case you have any questions, let me know. And in case you are wondering, maybe you need more tutorials, this is not maybe enough for you. Well, don't worry about it, because everything I just talked about in my YouTube channel, I have tremendous amount of tutorial. Some of them are long, some of them like courses. This is worth over $6,000 of courses that are available for you for free. Take advantage of it. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing very quickly, click here. And as usual, I will see you at the top.